turn a right foot behind the entrance of the tunnel. Do not enter the tunnel until
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Zombie.
Hurry, close the door. All right. All right, come on up, please. All right, hope you're all enjoying your tour so far. Are there any questions on anything Tom covered with the construction of the dam or the power plant portion of your tour? Hi, Valerie.
Hi. You're making too much noise.
Oh, I can hear you. All right. Well, it doesn't look like we have any questions, so who's ready to go into the dam? All right, what are you waiting for? Come on in.
Have fun.
I almost ran into you walking backwards. All right, so we are going 300 feet into the dam. It is about 450 feet thick at this point. We are about 22 floors from the bottom of the dam. As we go in, we see the Art Deco continues from the 1930s. Subway tiles, aluminum-like fixtures, and more terrazzo floor. Now the artist Alan Tupper, who was hired to design the art here at Hoover Damn, was hired for two reasons. Number one was to enhance visitor experience. Number two was to increase the efficiency and the productivity of the employees using color and art. He did that using a color scheme of over 14 different colors and using Southwest Native American designs in the floor. Can we get up here? Please state your right. That was good, wasn't it? Around the corner to the right, and you're going to walk out to that vent. It'll be straight down the passage. If you're much over 5'10", watch your heads going down that passageway. It is only about 6 foot high. I don't think the average height of the worker was much over 5'10" back then. Once you've seen the vent, come back on your right-hand side. Once everybody's back to the elevator, we'll make our way to our next stop. Okay? Any questions at this point? None at all? Wow, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, and the elevator is here. Come right this way. All right, this is where we see if you pass the test loading into the elevator.
Tiny elevator right here.
96 on site.
96 without.
More likely 350 long-term effects of carbon monoxide and complications.
You're not funny with this GoPro thing.
Hey, Daniel, look up.
Oh no. Daniel, stop pushing back on me.
Yeah, man, the legal going in with 20. Thank you.
Debatable.
All right, so we are now on our way. We're going to be going up about 270 feet to our next stop. Not only is the elevator smaller, but it's not quite as fast as the other elevator we were on earlier. So if anyone has a birthday, we can sing happy birthday. Anybody got a birthday today? All right, anybody like to just sing anyway? All right. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday to you.
Where's my presents?
See, we can do it again.
It should be a happy damn birthday.
I want my
There
presents
we go.
now.
Alright, here we go.
Hi, Alan. How are you? I know. I hear you trying to call the elevator on me.
Careful.
I had to hurry
I'm
last
not
time. I
going. I'll
just
stay
barely
right
got
here.
past it.
Go.
Go.
Go. Alright, it is short. So is this the vent that we take the picture at your own risk?
I believe so.
Yeah, I would see this one look like hell.
I'm like perfect height for this thing.
Yeah.
I stand
You
straight up.
have 10 and under.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh yeah, 5, 10 and under is right.
Good job, buddy.
With a nice line backwards.
Oh.
Amber,
Phone at own risk. You're replacing it yourself.
Will do.
I almost want to drop my GoPro for the hell of it.
Add string to it.
That's gorgeous. That's all.
All right, Daniel, you don't have a phone. I'll keep moving. Come on. Ready? Here we go. Don't put that camera out there.
I can almost get it out there with mine.
That's amazing. All right, babe.
What?
Get a picture down there.
You're fine. I'm not in a rush.
I'm about as average as you can get. I'm literally like, perfect height.
Dad, look at me.
I don't think there's any
You know, there was
distance.
somebody had one of those selfie sticks. They actually got a panoramic video
Oh,
all the
did
way
they?
around.
I kind of got it. Kind of.
Oh, okay. That's how it's straight out.
Yeah, I wasn't even looking at it.
I really like it.
I like that.
It feels nice.
Oh my daughter, at your wrist, you click your phone.
Pretty good picture.
So it is cloudy today, but here is one
Picture there.
from when I first got here.
It's an LED from 1935.
That's interesting.
Dad, come here.
What?
No, he's gonna show you
So
the
we're
echo.
able to, they have
Echo.
almost a tower.
Do it again.
Echo.
Oh, that's
Do it again.
That's from and then anybody get a shot of it now?
No.
I did with my GoPro, but I haven't seen it yet.
Daniel.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's.
Stop.
Stop right
I'm
there.
gonna stick my camera
Yeah.
with that.
Well, this is the second phone I've used.
What?
The first one, the battery just expanded on the side.
Oh yeah.
I want to take the picture for you over there. Like,
No, but I had it. It was
I want to
actually.
get that corner.
I bought my wife.
Stand right over there by that, right
I
there.
had one. So it lasted quite a while. I think I had
Dude, zombie proof.
it. Yeah.